everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout. So today I'm going to use quite a bit of Creative Memories embellishments and papers. I was just kind of in the mood to go in and see what papers I had that I hadn't used. So that's kind of how this all started. So I'm going to scrapbook this movie about, or this photo of me going to the Downton Abbey movie last year, and these papers really sort of had that feel. Also, I think of doilies and that kind of decoration, so I'm adding this doily from Wilton, and you can buy that in cake decorating spots. You used to be able to buy them at Michael's. I don't know if they still have them, but that's where I got these. Then I am going through some cards and trying to figure out what to use to journal. And I finally settle on that my favorite things. And those really were, a lot of those were cut aparts cards from the Craftsmith Silver Foil 12x12 pad, which is from Michael's. Now I'm playing around with doilies here and what to do, how to arrange them, and I was going to use two, and then I decided to go to just this one. This one is from Wilton as well, and it is a 6-inch doily. So I'm mounting that doily and then the photograph on that purple flower paper, which is from the Creative Memories Endless Meadows designer paper pack. And then I mounted or matted the photo itself on that dark purple paper, which has kind of a fern pattern to it. That's from Creative Memories Endless Meadows. It's the Tone on Tone paper pack, and that's all from last year, so it's not really available anymore as far as I know. All right, so I'm going to ink the edges of this because I'm putting purple on purple. And you'll see me do that. I'm using my gray flannel dewdrop ink. That watercolor paper in the background, like that bamboo, is the Creative Memories Endless Meadows designer paper pack again. And I pulled out that sticker. Let's see. Okay, so the sticker, and I'm using a 12-inch border sticker, but I'm just going to run it to the edge of that paper and then let it go. Again, so I think Victorian, I think vintage period, and I think of flowers like that. I did cut off the bottom of that doily. I decided I didn't like seeing just that little bit of it. And then I decided I really didn't like the purple on the purple. So I pulled that off and went in search of some other paper that I have. So that's what I'm going to do now. And I was thinking white, and I have this white shimmer paper, which is from Doris. It's the pearlescent pearl paper, which I believe I bought at Michael's, but don't quote me on that, but I think I did. So I'm going to just go in and take off 1/2 inch on each side, so 1 inch total from the paper, so it's 11 by 11. And then I'm going to mount that on the white on top of the purple watercolor kind of bamboo, and then the purple with all the photo and all the embellishment on top of that. And I really like the way this looks. So this is ending up being sort of a silver and purple layout. I did grab that alphabet. It's a chipboard glitter alphabet from American Crafts Stickers. It's the reindeer alphabet, so it's actually a Christmas alphabet, but I'm loving the way that looks. I like the purple, how the purple looks with this layout. It just, or how the silver looks with the layout. It feels icy, but it also feels vintage. So I'm going to just lay these letters here. After I shut the video off, I went through and I actually glued them down, but you don't need to see that. That's boring. So I thought I'd say, but I'm kind of, getting the spacing right. And I love the way this looks. Okay, so I have a little bit of embellishing done, but I want more. I have those silver stars from Ellie's Stars and Hearts from Ellie's Studio, and then I have this these stickers. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that border sticker is from Creative Memories Endless Meadows border sticker. And then all the other stickers that I'm going to use, so everything I'm using right now except for the silver foil hearts, is from the Endless Meadows designer stickers. So there's 3 sheets of those. So I'm just kind of going through and looking at what's left. I did think about adding some other colors in there, but I really stayed with the purple with just a little bit of accent of green there because of the flowers. I have that look for the bits of beauty in every day. This is where the magic happens. Just a reminder that simple things like going to the movies can be magical. So I'm playing around again with these foil heart stickers from Ellie's Studio. These were from last year. I don't know that they are still available. And I'm going to add one at the top there with the top cluster, and then 2 in the bottom. Or I'm sorry, actually I added 2 in each cluster. Now I'm thinking about enamel dots, but those purple enamel dots are the wrong color. They're a little bit too pink. So I found these silver enamel dots. They're glitter from We Are Memory Keepers. It's the enamel shapes in silver and gold, and I think I only have silver left, but I had enough enamel dots that I could do that with it. And then I added another little sticker from that Creative Memories sticker sheet, or I was thinking about doing an arrow and decided not to do that. And I didn't have any of the like pansies that I have or the other flowers that I had, but I did have this other little bloom, and so that's what I'm going to put in there with another heart and also another enamel dot. And I love the silver in this layout. I don't often scrapbook with silver, so this makes me happy that it's something a little bit different than normal. All right, you guys, there's this still shot and a bunch of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.